Okay, next step is we're going to install the trigger and the takedown lever in the P88 compact frame. I don't know if you guys have noticed or caught on by now, but I'm actually installing trigger parts from a P88 Champion, same trigger kit as the compact or the competition, which converts this frame into single action only. The compact is double single. So the goal here is to insert the trigger first into this pocket, and you want to line this hole here on the frame where my thumb is with the hole here on the bottom of the trigger shoe. So just insert it like so, hold it there in place. Your next goal is to put this trigger spring in. You see that bent leg? That bent leg actually rests against the frame. The short leg right there rests on the trigger bar. So our goal is to get this in there. I'm going to apologize in advance because I know this channel is kind of hard to focus. So I'm going to try my best to show me putting it in there. So let me start with some pliers. If you guys have tweezers or something long and fine, that's perfect. Let me get my tool. I like to actually grab it like this and then grab it just like that and just drop it in there. I'm trying to do that now. Another trick I've seen people use in the past is if you actually put the grease in there to capture this into the trigger shoe. I don't have any grease on me, so I'm gonna try my best to get it in there. So just drop it in. There you go. God, sorry guys. There you go. So let's try to be a little more careful. So put it in the channel, release it. Hopefully it falls into place, which it did. Great. So now this is the pin that holds the trigger bow or trigger shoe and the trigger spring. So we're simply going to install it here. Hold that in place. And then line it up. It's kind of tricky. There you go. Got it halfway in. Now I just need to grab the trigger spring. So grab it and just kind of manipulate it. And then just, once you get the pin through, simply just push it all the way. You might have to manipulate the spring a little more in the shoe. You have to like push up and down, but you can test to see if the spring was captured by putting your tools in there and seeing if it's spinning on its own axis, and it is. There you go. So it has actually, the pin actually went through with the spring. It's captured in this right spot. This short leg is in the right place. This short leg is what's going to capture the trigger bar, and I'll show you that in the next video.